Good morning, kids! I'm Teacher Lance and I'll be your teacher for today and for the rest of the semester. Today we are going to study animals' needs for living and growing. So we will study what are the animals' needs. What do they need in order to live, grow, and survive? Okay, so let's go and learn more about this topic. So here are the following needs of the animals. The first one is the food, water, and air. Those three things are the things that we are going to explore for today's topic. But let's begin first with the food. Okay, how important food is for animals. Will they be able to live without it? Let's find out. The first benefit of the food for the animals is that food is an energy source for the animals and keeps them warm. So food gives the energy that the animals need in order to live and grow. And also, it keeps them warm. When they eat food, they will be warm and therefore balance the temperature of their body. Second, food keeps animals healthy and helps their body to work well. Because of eating food, the animals can become healthy and it can maintain their body in order to work well, in order to be good. Okay. Next one is that food builds muscles and bones in animals, makes their body grow well, and repairs their damaged tissues. The food builds muscles in their body and maintains them. And also, it makes their bones stronger. And also, the fruits and vegetables helps repair the body of the animals when they are wounded or when they are sick. This is an example of how animals have their food. Look at this picture. A lion is hunting a deer for food. So a lion is going to eat the deer and it is running towards it. The next one is a bird. Some birds eat both plants and animals, and some animals eat plants only. Some animals eat both animals and plants, and some animals only eat animals. They are called carnivores. The animals that eat plants only are called herbivores. The animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivore. Okay, so those are how we call them according to the classification of what they eat. Alright, so that is all for the food and its benefits. So now we are going to learn how water benefits the animals. Okay, the first use of water for the animals is for drinking. Of course, in order to quench the thirst of the animals need to drink. That is why water is necessary to them. Look at this. Look at the picture. A bird drinks water for its body to work well. In order for the body of the animals to work well and for their blood to circulate well, they need to drink water. Number 2 benefit of the water, beside from drinking, water forms part of animals and it makes their body to work well. Okay, it is very important for the animals to drink water because some animals has a very high percentage of water inside of their body. For example, a jellyfish has 95% of water in their body. So when we take away the water in them, they will die. The third benefit of the water to the animals is that water controls body temperature of animals. As I have mentioned a while ago, animals need water in order to maintain their body temperature because this world is so hot, they need to cool their body down. Okay? And another benefit of water is it is a living space for fish and other water animals. So when we take away water from them, they will die because they will not have shelter for their own. Science facts: seawater is salty, and this is because the rainwater washes salt and other minerals from land into streams and rivers that flow into the sea. When some seawater evaporates, it leaves behind much salt and minerals in the sea. This salt and minerals make seawater salty. Because it is only water that evaporates, most of the salt and minerals lives in the sea. That is why the sea water is salty. So that is all for the water and its benefits. So now let's explore the air and its benefits to the animals. Number 1, it is used for breathing. As we can see in the clip, the panda is breathing. It is inhaling and exhaling. So without air, even for a few minutes, animals may die. Here are some fish. They breathe oxygen dissolved in water. Even under the sea, the fish needs air. So that is how air important is to the animals. Number 2 benefit, it blocks some UV rays from the sun from reaching animals. The air is stopping the UV rays from attempting or from reaching the skin of the animals. Next one is that air controls Earth's temperature, which makes it good for living, not just for animals, but for all the living things in the world. It is very important because the inner core of the Earth is hot and some parts of the Earth are cold. It has to be balanced. That is why air is very important for the world. Number 4, it helps some animals to fly easily. The birds fly right, and they cannot fly without the air. Actually, they are pushing down the air so that they could fly and go from place to place. Here, there's a bird that is flying by pushing down air. So today we studied the food, water, and air and their benefits to the animals. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and also I hope that you enjoyed this class. That is all for today. Goodbye and God bless. See you on our next class. Bye-bye.